If you've been thinking about getting paint protection film and you're not sure about it or what it does, I'm going to explain everything you need to know. Paint protection film is a clear, durable film that helps protect the paint on your car. It's about 8 mils thick. It stops rock chips, scratches, scuffs, and other environmental fallouts. So for PPF, you want to put it on the most high impact areas of the vehicle. On this Tesla, we've done a full front, which is the left and right front fenders, a full hood, a full front bumper, and both of the mirror caps. Another package you can do along with the full front is the track pack. The track pack includes your A-pillars partial and your rocker panels. The rocker panels are good for anything the tires might kick up from the road. If you want more protection than that, and you want the whole car protected, we can do all of the paint. We can put film on all of the paint of the exterior of your car. We call that a full body package. So once you decide which package you want to go with, we'll have you bring your car in and drop it off. We're going to wash it, get it all prepped for PPF, and of course then we're going to install the PPF. Once we're done putting the film on, we're going to let the car sit outside in the sun for a few hours. It helps speed up the process of curing because of the heat, and then we'll inspect it afterwards and make sure it's good to go. We'll give you a call, you come pick up your vehicle, and schedule a 2-week follow-up. So once you come in for your 2-week follow-up, we're going to check the film, make sure there's no film lifting, make sure there's no trim that needs to be done. If there is, we get all that taken care of. You get yourself a little wash on the outside, and then you're good to go. So one thing that people ask about often is the warranty. Our film has a 10-year warranty against yellowing, peeling, lifting, bubbling, anything that's manufacturer error based off that 10-year warranty, really. What the warranty does not include is if you take your car through a car wash and whatever is hitting the car makes the film lift. If you have a pressure washer, anything with high pressure, you don't want to hit anywhere near the edges. That's not covered under warranty because you're not supposed to use that.
Yeah, our new shop dog, Bali.
This is Bali, our new shop dog. Isn't she adorable? She's cute. Yes, you can come visit us and meet Bali. Just don't run her over. This was an overview of paint protection film and the different packages that you can get. If you want to learn more about colored paint protection film, check out the video that we just made.